welcome to the next episode of Let's Explore India. And today we are going to speak about Lakshadweep. Lakshadweep Islands, the next union territory which we are going to speak about is Lakshadweep Islands. These are very beautiful islands and the least populated union territory in India. In fact, least population, no cities also, like the least populated place in India, that is Lakshadweep. उसके बारे में आज हम बात करने वाले हैं Let's Explore India में. About me, I'm Anuja Parekh, your educator for social studies. Along with teaching in an academy, I'm even associated with Orchids International School. And teaching के अलावा मेरा शौक है बुक्स लिखना. सो अब तक मैंने 2 बुक्स भी लिखी है, जिसमें से मैं बहुत बार आपसे बहुत सारी चीज़ें शेयर करती रहती हूँ, राइट? Now what is this series? Let's explore. ये सीरीज क्या है, इसका छोटा सा वीडियो देखते हैं, then we'll start further. This is what it is. So this is what we are going to do in this series, wherein we'll be doing a virtual tour throughout India, right? इतनी प्यारी जगह है, हम लोग इंडिया के बाहर भागते रहते हैं, पहले इंडिया तो देखे. I know everyone is sitting at home, so I thought of doing a virtual tour for you all. And very soon, when everything is normal, I will physically go over there and go for that tour also. And आपको लेके चलूंगी और places पे, alright? I welcome you all to Unacademy, the best learning platform. जहाँ पे आप घर बैठ के पढ़ाई कर सकते हैं. इस योर फाइनल एग्जाम्स विद अनअकैडमी प्लस. ये कैसे कर सकते हैं, उसके लिए आपको अनअकैडमी का ऐप डाउनलोड करना पड़ेगा. वो कहाँ पे मिलेगा आपको अनअकैडमी का ऐप? यू कैन गो टू गूगल प्ले स्टोर एंड यू कैन टाइप अनअकैडमी एंड यू विल सी दिस लोगो. डाउनलोड कीजिए. उसके बाद क्या करना है, डाउनलोड होने के बाद यू हैव टू जस्ट सेलेक्ट योर गोल, मैनेज द गोल्स एंड यू आर सेट टू यूज. If you are liking our courses, we are having 2 type of courses, Plus and Iconic. Plus में क्या मिलता है आपको? Plus में क्या मिलेगा? You can sit at home and study at your convenience, right? आप अपने convenience पे पढ़ सकते हैं. ये सबसे बेस्ट बात है अनअकैडमी के कोर्सेज के, और वो भी इंडिया के बेस्ट एजुकेटर्स के पास से, right? You get unlimited access to the content. Best educators जैसे बोला, regular doubt solving sessions, exhaustive coverage, mentorship and guidance, study material in PDF format, practice tests, live test series and batch courses. ये सब कुछ आपको मिल सकता है अनअकैडमी के साथ. इस कोर्स को बोलते हैं प्लस सब्सक्रिप्शन, राइट? प्लस सब्सक्रिप्शन में जो कुछ भी आपको फीस है, उसमें अगर आप कोड यूज़ करोगे ANOO, आपकी फीस 10% से कम हो जाती है. से फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू एनरोल फॉर 1 month कोर्स, द फीस विल बी फॉर यू 4050 आफ्टर यूजिंग माई कोड, राइट? सो इट विल हेल्प यू रिड्यूस योर fees. So don't forget to use the code ANOO. But जितना बड़ा सब्सक्रिप्शन लोगे उतना आपको बेनिफिट ज़्यादा मिलेगा. So it's your call, but subscribe. अच्छा, ये दूसरा सब्सक्रिप्शन है जिसको बोलते हैं आइकॉनिक. ये किसके लिए है? स्पेशली those who require personal attention. स्पेशली मेरे चैट बॉक्स में आते हैं ना बच्चे, मैम यू आर इग्नोरिंग मी. दिस इज स्पेशली फॉर देम, wherein they'll be getting the personal attention. You get personal mentor, पेरेंट के साथ भी कनेक्ट होता है, एग्जॉस्टिव लाइव डाउट सोल्यूशन भी होता है, यू हैव स्टडी प्लानर, वीकली रिपोर्ट भी मिलेगा आपको, एंड ऑल द बेनिफिट्स ऑफ प्लस तो है ही, ऑलराइट? 360 डिग्री सपोर्ट सिस्टम है, आप बोल सकते हो इसको. फॉर दिस कोर्स स्टार्ट विद 3 months at 12,000 rupees. इसमें भी आप जब भी कभी मेरा कोड यूज करोगे, योर फीस आर रिड्यूस बाय 10%. सो सब्सक्राइब फास्ट एंड टेक द बेनिफिट्स. ओ यस, ये और एक फीचर है, दैट इज आस्क अ डाउट. क्या फीचर है, इस पे क्या कर सकते हैं? This helps you ask unlimited doubts, ask doubts anytime. रात को भी नींद नहीं आ रही है, पढ़ाई के लिए बैठे, use it. No need to wait for your teacher to be online. High quality video solutions मिलेंगे. You can get instant and accurate solutions. Receive the exact matches. कब काम आएगा सबसे ज़्यादा? It will be used for assistance in your homework. क्या करना है? सिर्फ click, crop and ask and you get the solution to it. Oh yes, we have come up with Emerge. Emerge कब है? Emerge is on 28th of June. क्या करना है, आपको एनरोल करना है, अनअकैडमी ऐप डाउनलोड करके, ये इमर्ज आप ऐप पे ही दे सकते हो, लैपटॉप पे नहीं दे सकते। आपको एनरोल करने के लिए इनवाइट कोड यूज करना है NOO। सो उसके साथ साथ बहुत सारा कंटेंट भी अनलॉक हो जाएगा। क्या होगा इमर्ज में, 30 क्वेश्चंस, 60 मिनट्स चैलेंज, एब्सोल्युटली नो प्रिपरेशन रिक्वायर्ड, 5 crore worth prizes. This is India's largest स्कॉलरशिप ड्राइव, एप्टीट्यूड टेस्ट, स्कॉलरशिप्स मिलेगा, मेगा प्राइजेस मिलेंगे, आपको मैकबुक मिलेगा, you'll get iPhone, iPads, exciting goodies, certificates and trophies. All these things will be available for you. And yes, last but not the least, this offer is still on, wherein you can use code ANOO, which will give you benefit on this offer about this, right? ये तो ऑफर में है ही, इसके अलावा आप ये कोड यूज करोगे तो icing on the cake, you'll get more 10% discount. So don't forget to use this benefit. चलो, आर यू रेडी फॉर द सेशन? यहाँ पे हम लोग बात करेंगे लक्षद्वीप के फैक्ट्स, व्हाट लक्षद्वीप इज फेमस फॉर एंड टूरिस्ट प्लेसेस ऑफ लक्षद्वीप। ये सब चीजें हम लोग देखने वाले हैं आज। सो आई होप यू ऑल आर एक्साइटेड फॉर दिस सेशन। जल्दी जल्दी थम्स अप दे दो, जल्दी लाइक कर दो वीडियो को। अब तक अगर लाइक नहीं किया है तो जल्दी लाइक कर दो वीडियो को, सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा ये चैनल, एंड इवन हिट द नोटिफिकेशन बेल आइकन सो दैट यूल बी गेटिंग द अपडेट्स ऑल्सो। सो स्टार्ट करने के लिए फैक्ट्स देखेंगे हम लोग लक्षद्वीप के। सो फैक्ट्स देखने से पहले आपको कोई वीडियो देखना है लक्षद्वीप के ऊपर। डू यू वांट टू सी अ वीडियो ऑन लक्षद्वीप? इवन बिफोर वी स्टार्ट विद द फैक्ट्स ऑफ लक्षद्वीप, डू यू वांट टू सी अ वीडियो ऑन लक्षद्वीप? जल्दी जल्दी चैट बॉक्स में बताइए, डू यू वांट टू सी अ वीडियो, एरियल व्यू ऑफ लक्षद्वीप, डू यू वांट टू डू दैट? जैसे हमारे प्रीवियस हर सेशन में मैं एक आपको वीडियो शेयर करने की कोशिश करती हूँ, हर प्लेस की, जिस प्लेस के बारे में हम लोग बात करते हैं उस प्लेस का एक वीडियो देखते हैं तो उससे हमारा इंटरेस्ट और बढ़ता है ना। सो हियर इट इज एरियल व्यू ऑफ लक्षद्वीप फॉर यू। this awesome? I know everyone is here now virtually, isn't it? Everyone has reached over here virtually. Yes, indeed, it is an awesome place. राइट सो इसके बारे में और बात करेंगे हम लोग लक्षद्वीप के बारे में कैसे उसको नाम मिला राइट सो व्हाट डू यू थिंक व्हाट इज द वर्ड व्हाट इज द ओरिजिन ऑफ वर्ड लक्षद्वीप Lakshadweep means actually it is 1 lakh islands means that, and Dweep is lakh is Laksha and Dweep is islands. This is how it has got its name, Lakshadweep. Do you think Lakshadweep is its original name since the starting of the time it is part of India? Do you think it is the same name what it is since it has formed? So this is, can you see these small islands? This is what is Lakshadweep. So what is the origin of name? The original name of Lakshadweep was Lakadweep, Minicoy and Amandevi Islands. So this got changed in 1973 to Lakshadweep. Good na, it got changed. Easy for you all na? Hai na? Easy na, it got changed into in 1973. So this is how in 1973 the Lakadweep, Minicoy and Amandevi Islands became the Lakshadweep Islands. Can you see this beautiful islands? It's awesome. I want to go there. Currently, there are about 36 islands. Out of 36, only 35 are visible. One Parali, that island has got submerged due to the sea erosion. So previously there were 1,000 islands, so we used to call it Lakshadweep, Black Island. So it is Lakshadweep, but now due to the global warming, increasing the sea level, decreasing the sea level, these islands come up and go down. It keeps on happening. You can see this beautiful islands. So, what is tuna? Can you guess what is tuna? What is tuna? What do you think? Chalo, answer in chat box fast. What do you think? What is tuna? Okay, tuna is actually a name of a fish, and this is exported. This fish is exported. This is a main occupation. You can see over there, fishing is a main occupation, and that also tuna is the main fish over there. Can you see this tuna fish? This is tuna fish. National animal, we should say state animal. The state animal, because national is for India, over here we should say state, but in many places on Google and everywhere you'll find it written as national animal. So it is actually state animal, but as it is mentioned as national animal over there, you'll get confused. So I've mentioned over here as national animal only. That is the butterfly fish. How does it look? This is the butterfly fish. Can you see this butterfly fish swimming there? Small, so many small fishes over there. Now let's see what is Lakshadweep famous for. Karavati. It is a place wherein water sports and coral visits for it. Karavati is very famous, and even for mosque. So what is Karavati famous for? Sports, coral visits and mosque. Please remember all these things very well. We are going to have Menti today at 8 o'clock on this only. You never know, this might be the question in the Menti. Can you see these places? Wow. See this beautiful beach, water sports. This is the mosque, what you can see over there. This is a mosque in Karavati. Minicoy. What is Minicoy? Minicoy is an island. Again, all the Lakshadweep, all other islands in Lakshadweep. So, you can see coconut groves over there. This village offers a fascinating insight. You can see many coconut groves over there. Wow. Let's go for a drive on this road. See the beach and the road is there, and you can see this coconut drive. It's awesome, isn't it? Agatti. It is again a beach. Deep sea fishing takes place over here in deep sea fishing, scuba diving, sailing, skiing, and even kayaking. This is famous for that. Agatti is famous for that. awesome places. This is like heaven on earth, isn't it? Isn't this heaven on earth? Wow. I am dying to go over there. I am just waiting when I can go for the actual tour over here. Can you see this beach? Wonderful, na? Woo! Let's go on this boat for a ride. चलो चलते इस बोट पे बैठ के राइड के लिए. आहा, स्विमिंग करने जाना है इस पानी में. See how clear that water is. You can see the base of the water. Wow, it's so beautiful. This is how this island looks from the top. This is the you can say the runway of the railway. Not railway, runway of the airport over there. You can see the runway. Island at the but obvious you have to go either planes by or by boat. You can't go by road. Yes, jetties are there through which you can take your cars on that. Bangaram, it is a colorful, on this island you can find colorful fishes and it is least explored. So do go there. You'll be able to see lot many things over here. It is least explored. So you'll see very less pollution over there. And yes, population भी बहुत कम है लक्षद्वीप में. आपको पता ही है, बताया ही है मैंने स्टार्टिंग में. Woo! This is giving me the feel. I know you must be writing, sir. Especially Saksham must be writing. Ma'am, I'm feeling as if you're sitting over there. Yes, I am also getting the feel that I'm sitting over here. Alpeni, if you're fond of capturing photographs, then definitely you can go over there. Sorry, it is not found. It is fond. F-O-N-D, fond. So sorry for the typo mistake. And ये कुछ error भी नहीं देगा ना. Spelling found or found or correct spelling is सही. Spelling is correct now, so it did not even give the typo mistake. Then this island completes your desire. It is a group of 3 islands. See this island? Woo! चलो चलते हैं यहाँ पे जल्दी जल्दी. टिपकी मारनी है पानी में. See how clean it is. Isn't it so clean? It's so clean. You can see that. I am really getting the feel of sitting on the beach and talking to you all. I wish I can do this very early. As I and Prachi ma'am promised that we'll go for a tour on in Goa and we'll have session for you all from there. Ah, what is the famous street food? I know I have many vegetarians over here, but yes, this is the famous street food over there. Octopus fry. I am also vegetarian, but I have to tell you this because there are many non-vegetarians in the class. So octopus fry, which is a famous dish over here. This dish is made up by adding green chilies, garlic, salt to baby octopus. So sad. Sauce is prepared from the above mentioned herbs and then served with the fried octopus. This is what is done. You can see this. Moose kebab. This is delicacies of that, wherein boneless fish is served with coconut, turmeric, chili powder, coriander. All those things are put in that. This looks like something vegetarian, na? Don't know what it is exactly. Okay. Next, fish tikka is one more delicacy of Lakshadweep. This is what is fish tikka for you all. I know now you will be writing, I'm feeling very hungry, tempted to eat this, hai na? Next is Masu Pudichat. This is again dried tuna, which they make this from dried tuna. Now let's speak about the tourist places in Lakshadweep. Tourist places in Lakshadweep. Yes, you will see many overlapping places. Yes, जहाँ पे हमने बात की है उसमें बहुत सारी चीज़ें overlap भी दिखेंगे. बहुत सारी places you see overlapped. तो टूरिस्ट प्लेस देखते हैं कौन सी है. वेरी फर्स्ट, मराइन म्यूजियम. इस म्यूजियम में इट्स एक्वेरियम and lot many species, you can see skeletons are also kept in this museum. You can see this marine museum. यहाँ पे पूरे skeletons वगैरह रखे हुए हैं. You can see how it is hanged over here. Such a huge skeleton. Maybe it is a shark skeleton, as we can see shark or whale when it is so huge. Maybe shark and whale skeleton is this. Next place is lighthouse. It was built in 1885, 19th century. This is 300 feet tall. Just imagine 1885. इतना बड़ा लाइट हाउस बनाया 1885 में. तभी तो इतने ज़्यादा इनके पास ये भी थे ना, क्या बोलते हैं, मशीनरीज वगैरह भी नहीं थी, फिर भी इतना ऊंचा लाइट हाउस बना दिया इन्होंने. वाओ, दैट्स ऑसम. नेक्स्ट इज पिटी बर्ड सेंचुरी. Pakshipiti, Pakshi means bird in Malayalam, Telugu and Tamil. In fact, in Marathi also it is called as Pakshi. The bird is called Pakshi in Marathi also, and I guess in Gujarati also it is called as Pakshi only. So as maybe most of the Indian languages it is called as Pakshi. As an uninhabited coral insect, it is not habitated over there. People don't stay over there. So I hope it's least polluted because people don't stay. But there are places wherein I had seen a video on, there is an island in Pacific Ocean, there is no habitation, but then also whatever we throw in the ocean goes over there, and this animals really don't understand what they are eating and it when they are hungry. They die because of that. So let's control it. Next is Tinakara Island, beautiful lagoons and flawless coast. Wow. This is the place, isn't it awesome? Next is Kiltan Island. Ooh, can you see this of Kiltan Island? Wow. Now I have not been there personally. Maybe this image is wrong because whatever I tried to search, I've got it. I've used it, right? मुझे जो नीचे head title मिला था उसी हिसाब से use किया. If you are from Lakshadweep, if you have been to Lakshadweep, you might tell it more better. Which place is this? Is it really Kiltan Island or something else? Here's an interesting story of integration of Lakshadweep with post-independence and how we may have lost it to Pakistan. This would have happened. I would like to share this with you. Yes, being your SST teacher, history teacher, and author to history books also, definitely I'd like to share this story with you all. So क्या हुआ था? This beautiful and scenic archipelago of Lakshadweep Islands, which is cut off from the mainland India, was put under the was part of actually Madras Presidency. Then Madras, now we call it as Chennai. The Madras is renamed as Chennai, but Chennai's geographical extent is very small compared to the Madras Presidency's geographical extent. This was a reason enough for Pakistan to stake claim for just for the sake like they have done for J&K, right? So Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel anticipated that Pakistan would definitely capture this islands, and they were alert with this. In fact, for this reason only Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is called as the Iron Man of India. He was a person who has played a very, very important role in integrating the states of India. And the complete story is written in the book by V.P. Menon, that is called as V.P. Menon was our was secretary to Lord Mountbatten, and he has written everything in his book called as Story of Integration of Indian States. That is a wonderful thing to read on. So it dispatched naval troops over there. So what did he do? He immediately dispatched the naval troops over there on the islands and hoisted the Indian flag and guarded shores any possible invasion, right? This is how we did it. In fact, by just telling you about this, I am getting goosebumps on this. Just imagine getting the goosebumps just by imagining this thing. So what would have happened over there in reality, isn't it? Isn't it an awesome story? Such a beautiful place would have lost if Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel would have not taken this corrective action immediately, right? Sure enough, few hours after the Indian forces had hoisted the Indian flag, vessels of the Royal Pakistan Navy were seen on their way to Lakshadweep. So quite in advance, we had reached over there, and we could capture these territories, and they are part of our territories currently. Seeing the presence of Indian flag, the Navy had no option than go back to Karachi. I really, whenever I speak anything about the Indian freedom struggle or the Indian soldiers or the fight about that, I always get goosebumps on my hand. I really get goosebumps on my body just thinking about it. Lakshadweep became part of India thanks to the foresight of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and Indian Navy acting on time. So this has really helped us act on time and save this islands from the going in Pakistan's hands or in the territory of Pakistan. Right. So this is what was about Lakshadweep. This is all about Lakshadweep, what we have spoken just now. So don't forget to stay tuned in today at 8 o'clock for Mega Minty on the same, right? So see you at 8 o'clock. Ta-ta. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like the video, share the video, hit the notification bell icon and subscribe the channel. See you at 8 o'clock. Ta-ta. Bye-bye. Sayonara. Will be coming in with more exciting and more interesting stories about this different territories, different parts of India, right? Soon we'll finish in union territories and then we'll start with states. Ta-ta. Bye-bye. Sayonara.